enters and exits in relation to the nose and in relation to the jaw, maybe about here. The line where the neck stops and the space around it starts there. And I'll pull it up and back. I don't want it to disturb the jawline though, so I'm not really touching the jawline with it. And I don't know why I brought it back that far, so I'm just going to use the paper towel to lift off a bit of the edge of that shape. Yeah. And maybe placing the ear would be the business. I could put a little bit more of the cadmium red in and find the position of the ear next. So I'm looking where the bottom of the ear is in relation to the underside of the nose. The lobe of the ear is a little bit higher than the bottom of the nose, a bit warmer in colour. And then the top of the ear looks to be just under the eyebrow. Something like that is okay for now. And I'll bring some of the same warmth, I think, in there. I don't know why I did that. It's all right. Okay. And now we'll plant to explain something of this side of the face, under the cheekbone there. It might be a good time to start introducing the hair. You can't be expected all the time to know exactly where you're going to be going in the face. As soon as you start to flounder there, do something somewhere else. Often if you place the hair, it'll inform what to do next in the face. So I'm getting a sore arm, and you know, that's, your body will let you know when you need to stop. That might be finished, I'd say, is it? It's finished.
I didn't start at the beginning only, so there's a wee bit left.
Oh, so it's still working. Hello, how are you? Have a look at the links below if you want to know more about me. I was saying, you know, as soon as your body will tell you keep a radar up for tension in the shoulders for a sore arm, and don't let yourself be sore or tense. Drop your arms, shake it off. Erin said yesterday, Mum, when you said shake it off, I was trying not to laugh. And here's the cat now as well. Okay, so it's all happening.
Oh, puss.
So so I was getting a sore arm there, so holding it down for long enough and having a chat means that now again I've got the energy for placing the shape of the hair. I'm just going to let this do that. It might run into the ear, it's okay. And here as well, the hair up to meet the bottom of the ear and the back of the neck, a little bit of hair there, which is higher than the jaw. And then there's the bit of black down here where the shirt meets the neck. There. And I'll just anchor down the bottom of the chin by putting something in there so that we know that the chin is overlapping that dark where the shirt meets the neck. Making the skin colour, yeah. Okay, so I'll just use the red and green for God's sake. Started with the yellow ochre and every sort of thing. Well, the yellow ochre would be good. Okay, so I want to we were talking about this thing yesterday about the reasons for moving the brush in this way. And it's not only because the paint accumulates at the tip of the brush, it's also because you want to expand in every move. You want to feel like you're expanding rather than contracting, if you can, you know. Beverly's more interested in the cat. So
I'm still listening.
Okay, so landing the bottom of the thing there, yeah. And now I'm going to find something to describe the upper lip. So a bit more of the cadmium red into the colour that we used on the skin will make it read as being different from the skin tone, and hopefully read as lip colour. Particularly the upper lip there, and quite dark. I might actually move the nose up a touch as well, but we'll see. Just want to find the corners of the mouth first. Geez, Erin, you're very good at sitting still. Great. No. Something like that. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of the green into it in order to find, I know it's not a shadow on its own, but just something here will let me know that that's where the light on the lower lip stops. And there's some kind of a cavity there that's not, the light isn't hitting. Maybe just let it fill in that area actually. And find something more in the shadow here.